Welcome to video number 99 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native, and I'm looking for more suggestions from you because we have come already to video number 99, and then I initially did not think that I was going to make so many videos, but somehow I managed to find some time and hope this keeps going. And all that I need from you is to ask more questions if you really appreciate it. Once again, in this video, we're going to learn two proverbs or two sayings. And I have already made so many videos for you to watch. And for those of you new to this channel, you can check the 98 videos that I have already made. The first one is, whatever left beside our needs should only go for charity. This is a literal translation and it's a very common one. You could use it. That is, Tanika minjinadutha dano dharma, which means only when we have fulfilled our needs, then we'll be able to really help others. So first make yourself fulfilling, that is, fulfill your needs, help people you know first, and then you can give or give charity to others. So tanakku minjinadu tha dana dharma. So it's means tanakku minjinadu tha, whatever remains after your needs is what goes for charity or for a good cause. Tanakku minjinadu tha, that is, tanakku is for yourself. Minjinadu means what is left. Ta means it is stressing. Tanakku minjinadu ta, whatever is left after your need or your requirement. Dano dharma. Dhanam is that is charity, and dharmam is a good cause for the right thing or for a right cause. Dana dharma. A close one that I can compare in English for this can be charity begins at home, which means do your duty first for the people that you are close to your parents, to your kids, to people around you first, and then you can move on to doing something good for others. That's the meaning. Charity begins at home. I've given a small picture for you to just visualize it. Somebody wants to help somebody. The man is sitting there thinking, and he's deciding on that based on how much of savings he has and what he needs. So this may look a little strange to you, but it can help you to just remember things. So once again, Tanakku minjinadu tha dano dharma. Tanakku minjinadu tha dano dharma. The next one that we are going to see is, let me explain it or give a literal translation for that first. What doesn't bend at 5 does not bend at 50. Aindil valayadadu aimbadil valayadu, which means something or somebody you cannot train at 5, that means that you cannot train them even at 50. So it's very easy to mold someone when they are young because they are still raw, and then once they have make their own shape and then grow up, then it's going to be very difficult for you to shape them. So that's the meaning here. Just for example, imagine the guy is sleeping there, a young guy, and then his father is complaining to his friend, look, my son is sleeping until 10 o'clock every day. And then the friend says, well, then wake him up at 5 o'clock daily, otherwise Aindil valayadadu, aimbadil valayadu, means he's not going to get or change his habit. It's good that you train him already now. Aindil valayadadu means the one that doesn't bend at 5. Aimbadil valayadu means at 50. Aimbadil, at 50 it will not bend. Aindil valayadadu, aimbadil valayadu. To say that more casually, I would say Aindila valayadadu, aimbadil valayadu. The close one that I can think of in English is you can't teach an old dog new tricks. You cannot teach an old dog new tricks. So that is ஐந்தில் வளையாதது ஐம்பதில் வளையாது. ஐந்தில் வளையாதது ஐம்பதில் விளையாது. I hope you enjoyed the short video, and the next video is going to be 100th video. That is, it's a lot of, I put in a lot of time for this. So please, if you like it, keep watching it, learn Tamil. And the 100th video I'm going to be making on, because I get a lot of emails asking what is formal Tamil and what is the spoken Tamil? How close are they? Are they really completely different, or are they in some way closer? So the 100th video is I'm going to take a little longer time and make a little longer video, so you'll know whether the language are close or they're completely different, whatever. So 100th video, wait for some time, and then all the best with your Tamil learning.